Hello. This is my 2015 Suzuki Hayabusa. Give you a quick run through of the extras that I've put on here. Let me show you. I've got the tank bra, so you can ride the bike without worrying about your belt buckle scratching up the paint job. I put on the GPR steering stabilizer. Helps you lock in your handlebars, especially at high speeds on the highway or something. It helps you from bouncing around on the bike. I put custom clutch levers and brake levers on both sides, the little shorties. They feel good in your hands. I've got a cramp buster. You can take this right off, but it helps you for long highway trips. Instead of holding the grip so much, a little less wrist pressure. I put custom frame sliders, custom spool sliders, and let me make my way to the other side of this bike. Put down a cap cover, Hayabusa cover right here, just to help in the event of a drop so you don't get scratches all over the bike. I've got the zero gravity double bubble windshield. Really nice, helps you tuck down in there and get up under that air blowing around you, especially if you're doing high speeds. It really helps. I'm gonna put custom Gixxer stickers on the sides. Let me get over here and show you both. I put bigger stickers and I put them a little lower because your helmets have a tendency to scratch your paint. Even when your helmet's just at a resting stop, when you lock your helmet up under it, just seems to scratch it. So put those on. You can peel those off at any time if you want, but just to save your paint. I put the fender eliminator kit on here. I took off the old big piece of plastic that hung down to hold your license plate holder. That was kind of ugly. Removed the chain guard. Used to have a plastic guard that ran all the way along here. Looks a lot better, more exposed. I went with the custom 4-into-1 Yoshimura racing pipe instead of the big 2 exhaust system that comes standard on the Hayabusa. Not a real fan of that. I went with Corbin custom seats with the removable backrest for the passenger. You can take that off and just have the 2 passengers set up without the backrest. Comes right off. I also have the original seats with it and the seating cowl in case you want to roll with just one person. I have the original windshield too if you don't want to roll with the zero gravity, as well as the clutch levers and brake levers. I have all the original equipment exactly, even the exhausts. But yep, there you go. It has, let me see, I have a Canon air filter. I have a Power Commander 5 hooked up to it, and up under here, which you can't see right now, I have LED lights. So it does light up and do a custom color changing kit with flashes and all that stuff. But yep, here you go. 2015 Suzuki Hayabusa. Yep, one more part of the video I forgot is how does it sound? You tell me. Oh yeah, and we also have 7793. 7,700 miles, mostly highway. Here we go. I definitely took advantage of the touring aspect of this motorcycle, riding it on the highway as much as possible. The bike is equipped with Angel Pirelli tires and the Yoshimura exhaust. It is a full exhaust. It's not a slip-on system. The bike has a blue tinted headlight and the LED lighting system, which runs throughout the motorcycle. And I apologize that I didn't show off in this video in the daylight, is LEDGlow's advanced million color lighting kit. I believe it's waterproof. It's 15 different colors. They do solid and fading and flashing, and it comes with 2 remotes. I purchased this motorcycle brand new in 2016, and I have the 2 original Suzuki Hayabusa keys that came with it. Today's date is December 21st, 2018, and the bike is currently for sale. If you're interested, shoot me a message. I hope you liked my first YouTube video. Keep 2 wheels on the ground, and have a nice day.